bored. It's such a rainy day. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, yes, I do. Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Edna. I'm not bored. At least I'm not going to be because I just thought of a great idea. Seeing how it's raining outside, I think I'll make it rain inside. Thanks for joining me for Science Wonders. This morning I read a story called Rainy City Rainbow. I hope you were able to join me for that. I talked about how I thought it was going to rain, and now it is raining. So for our experiment today, because it is an experiment, because I'm going to try my rain cloud making in 3 different sized containers. I have a small container, a medium-sized container, and a large container. Oops! And for this experiment, I'm going to need some shaving cream and some blue food coloring and water in my containers. I'm only filling my water 3/4 full, just so I can be able to see the shaving cream when I put it in. So we start with our water. Then we gotta shake, 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 shake. Get our shaving cream ready. Then this one's almost empty, so I thought I'd use it first. I'm gonna squeeze it in. See how it's going down and then it's floating up? And I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. And do you see how it's expanding? It's creating foam. There's our cloud. So here's our rainy day. Here's our cloud. Now we want to make it rain. So what we do next is we take our food coloring and just add 1 drop onto the top of the cloud. Then we're going to wait to see what happens. What can we do while we wait? I know, we could read this story while we wait. Rain by Barbara Hill. Rain. Rain. Oh, he looks bored too. Rain, rain. That's what my window's looking like right now too. Huddles of cows, puddles of mud. I love a puddle. Muddles of cars, gutters that flood. Ooh, that happens in North Bay a lot. We get lots of puddles on the roads. Oh, look at Grandma's glasses are all full of rain. The dog is walking quickly. Probably wants out of the rain. Raincoats hurrying. Wet shoes scurrying. Umbrellas flurrying. Rain. Uh-oh, boys and girls, I don't know if you've noticed, but it's starting to rain in our jar. Let's have a closer look. Do you see that the rain is falling? That's cool. I wonder what would happen if we put it in our big jar. Do you think it would look different or the same? Do you think it will fall faster or slower? Let's shake, 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 and check it out. All right, we're gonna pour our, oops, I got some on the side. I'm gonna make our cloud on this rainy day. There it is. There's our cloud, and it's getting bigger and bigger. Do you know that sometimes we have different types of clouds, and sometimes they're just little wisps of clouds, And then other times, when they get heavy with water, they build and build and build and get bigger, just like our shaving cream is doing. And then when they get so heavy, they let out that water, and let's see what happens. Do you think there's going to be rain coming down? All right, and look at this one. Looks like the rain is pouring down. Not just a little sprinkle. It's like our story today. It was like a whole big thunderstorm. Lots of rain. And do you see what's happening on the bottom, boys and girls? Sorry. It's collecting on the bottom because when it hits the ground, it forms a pool of water. And that's what's happening in our jar. It's forming a puddle. Nothing happening here yet. I wonder what happens if I look under. Boys and girls, when I look under, I'll see if I can show you, but I can start to see, oh there, do you see it? A little bit of the blue falling through. Those raindrops are getting heavy. So the blue are our raindrops, and they're getting so heavy that they're falling from the sky, from the clouds. And there it is. So pretty. The rain is falling slowly right now. I wonder what it would look like if we made a rain cloud in this jar. It's a different shape than these jars. Do you think it would look any different? Let's try and find out. That's my empty one. There, we're gonna shake, shake, shake. And we'll see what happens. Oops, squirt, 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 squirt. Oh, look at that rain cloud. And it all floats to the top. Let's see, give it a little bit more. And let it form its clouds. Now that's about the same amount of cloud as the other ones, but at the top it's wider. So it's not sitting the same. What's going to happen when I put in my blue rain? There's my cloud. I'm going to put in a couple of drops this time because we got a bigger space to work with. Okay, I put in 3 drops. Oh boy. And look how quickly my rain has fallen, boys and girls. Do you see how quickly it has fallen through my clouds? That's because these clouds aren't as thick as this cloud is thinner than these clouds. So the rain is so heavy and it doesn't have much cloud to work through. So it's falling quickly. Look at that. Our rain is falling. Well, boys and girls, I hope you had a lot of fun on this rainy day at making your own indoor rain. Do you see, boys and girls, this one? That cloud is so thick that it's taken a long time for the rain to fall. It just looks like it's sitting. Oh, I forgot to tell you about this jar. You know, the other difference with that jar is I used very warm water in this jar, but I did not use very warm water in these 2 jars. So that is making a difference in how fast our rain has fallen. Wow. And in this jar, I put 3 drops. And it's not taking very long for the whole jar to turn into rain. Not just one little spot in the jar, but the whole jar is filling with rain. When I turn it, do you see the... This side looks darker than this side, but I think that's just the way my light is hitting it. Well, I hope you had a great time, Science Wonders, today on this rainy day. Doesn't have to be boring. You can do some science experiments, you can read some stories, or like in our story, you could just look out the window and see what's happening in your neighborhood. Thanks for joining me, boys and girls.